Hello, friends. Let's start a new chapter. This particular chapter comes under the second semester of Agribusiness Management. Its the chapter is Agribusiness Policies and Environment. But before that, you should know about the agriculture because personally, if you learn the agriculture in a right manner, then it is easier for you to understand the agribusiness policy because everything will comes from the same line of if you learn the agriculture then you can learn the agribusiness policies. First things comes in your mind, what is agriculture? It is the culture of land. Culture of land means you should learn the land policy. You should learn the land policy. Without understanding the land policy you could not understand the agribusiness environment and policy. The second thing that should comes in your mind, that is food, the fiber, the fodder, or you can say that uh, fodder itself, the foreign and the fashion. Why I am highlighting this 5F? Because this 5F has been highlighted in the time period of 2014 by our honorable Prime Minister. He has highlighted that if you learn about the agriculture, you should learn about what is food security, what is fiber because it is connected to your cloth. You should know about the fodder because that is directly consumed by the animals. You should connect with your foreign countries because ultimately you have to search the market. And another angle is that you should not ignore the fashion or the taste of the consumers. So agriculture should be taken into consideration, all those things. Third thing you should know about the sustainable development goal that encompasses 17 elements. Target 2030. You should know about the sustainable development goals from the, you can say that from the gender mainstreaming to responsible production and consumptions, that is connected, directly connected to the cooperatives, APOs, farmer producer companies, life below water, poverty. All those things will come under the sustainable development goal, and agriculture is directly connected to the sustainable development goal. Fourth thing you should learn in context to the agriculture, that is climate change, because you know that major percentage, almost 37% of methane is coming from agriculture. So you cannot ignore that climatic change part in your course curriculum, and you definitely, when you go through your course curriculum, you will find that clean development, climatic change, that is also be highlighted in your course curriculum. The fifth thing you should learn about, that is biofuel or third generation energy, because you know that when you think about the substitutions of the energy sectors, that is a critical element for development of any of the countries. In that time, the energy that is coming from rapeseed, the energy that is coming from jatropha, alfalfa, even you know about the sugarcane, the ethanol productions, that is also be connected to the agriculture sector. If you learn about the agriculture, you should know about the virtual water, because you know that as much as you can increase the food grain, simultaneously food grain consumes more and more water, and when you are going for the export of the particular food grain, simultaneously you export the water, that is connected to the agriculture sector. Seventh one is you should know about the cancer train. That is more relevant in these days because that is a train in between the Bhatinda to Bikaner. Why it hasn't coming into picture due to the implication of the agriculture in a negative way, that I will describe in the classroom teaching. but you should know that that is the implication of the agriculture, and policies should be taken into consideration in that way. Another point in agriculture sector, that is grain to green to gin, all type of the revolutions are connected to the agriculture. Once we thinking about how to feed our growing populations, we bring the green revolution, and now through bt cotton we have addressed the gene revolutions, and all things have been connected to the agriculture sector. You should know about the implication of the monocropping to diversification. That is the parts and parcel of the agriculture sector. You should know about the soil health card. Why I am highlighting about the soil health card, why this is more important one, that will describe in my classroom teaching. But you should know about the soil health card and how we are moving from organic farming to natural farming. That is the implication of the agriculture sector. You should know about the fate of around 89.32%. I am just writing the 80-90% of small and marginal farmers. If you taken into consideration, it is almost around 14.5 crore populations. That is also be connected with the agriculture sectors. So anyone can ask that what do you understand by the agriculture? Then you should taken all into consideration to understand the agriculture sectors. Because numbers of times question comes in this way. Questions comes that whether you learn the things only one line, or you have to learn the thing in in a package. That is the ability you have to learn through different type of the literatures, but you should pick the point first. If you pick the point first, then no one can limit your thinking process, and you learn the agribusiness policies in a right manner. Thank you all. This is all about today's classes in my classroom teaching. Thank you.